channel. My name is Morgan if you're new here. As you guys can see from the title, I'm going to be showing you guys how I wash and style my twists. Today I'm going to be doing a two-strand twist with my locks. And I've actually done this style before where I went through the process of washing my hair and then palm rolling them into two-strand twists. And that style actually came out really nice. So I'm going to be walking you guys through the process that I did the first time of completely washing my hair and styling it. And I really hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. And please be sure to turn on my post notifications so you'll never miss when I upload. And without further ado, let's get right on into the video.
Hey everybody, I'm gonna start off this routine by getting my hair soaking wet, and then pretty much I do this every time I get in the shower right before I apply my shampoo. The shampoo that I'm going to use in today's video and in my normal routine is pretty much any type of tea tree shampoo. So I'm going to go ahead and lather that all over my hair. And you really want to make sure you're getting your locks and then your scalp. And as you guys can see from the video, my hair is actually getting really long, so I'm very satisfied with how my hair is looking right now since I just started in September. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and rinse that off. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do a second coat of shampoo, and as you can see this time it's gonna suds up a lot more, and that pretty much means that my hair is clean now. The first time you could tell it didn't really suds up because my hair was very dirty. So you want to make sure you get that scalp really nice. Make sure you get all those locks, and then you can go ahead and rinse out all of the shampoo, and make sure you get the shampoo out of every individual lock, because you don't want to have shampoo trapped in your hair. Now that we're fresh out the shower, you want to make sure that your hair is dry and damp, and you want to go ahead and grab a towel. And then the products that I'm using today is this twist cream from Tropical Roots, and then I'm going to use some black Jamaican castor oil. And you want to get a comb, some pins, and then you want to get some elastics or some rubber bands. So I'm going to go ahead and split my hair into two sections to just get it out of the way while I work with one section. Sometimes when you work on one section, you can split that one into two as well, just depending on whichever method works for you. So I'm going to go ahead and get this back lock, and I'm going to get one more because that's the one that I'm going to be twisting together with the other one. And as you can see, I have a lot of growth, so I'm looking into getting my locks interlocked soon, hopefully. And I'm going to go ahead and tie that front section of my hair up while I work with the back. I'm going to spritz this with water just a little bit. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply the oil along with the twist cream. So I typically like to apply it to the root where that new growth is, and you can see it's a lot. And then I usually end up working my way down. And now I'm going to go ahead and take this twist cream and put it specifically on the root because I don't want to put it on the lock itself. And then I'm going to take this comb, and I'm going to go ahead and make sure I get all of that loose hair, and then I'm going to twist it into the lock. Some people do palm roll, or you could do with the comb method. Whichever method works for you. I generally do palm rolling, but in the back I like to use the comb. So once I have that section all twisted up, I'm going to go ahead and pin it, and then I'm going to go ahead and start working on the other side. Now what you see me doing here with the comb is I like to take the comb and kind of poke in my hair, and I like to think that that's tucking the hairs into the lock, when you could interlock them as well, but whatever works for you. I don't know if that method was helpful, but hopefully it did something so I'm not looking crazy on YouTube. And then I'm just gonna do the exact same thing on the other lock. And then I'm gonna palm roll it just to make sure I get all of those frizzy hairs kind of tucked into the lock or rolled into the lock. And then I'm going to take each lock and then I'm going to twist like normal all the way down to the ends. And then once I've gotten to the end, I'm going to take 2 rubber bands and I'm going to secure them on the end of the lock just to make sure that they don't, come apart. And that's 1 pair done, and then I'm going to pretty much repeat the same process on the rest of my hair. Alright, so my left side of my head is almost done. I have 2 more locks that I'm going to go ahead and palm roll or use the comb or whatever method works for you. And then I'm going to go ahead and twist these 2 locks together. And of course, once you've gotten to the end, you're going to want to secure these 2 locks with an elastic or rubber bands, and then you're going to take the pin and stick it up at the root, and just like that, the left side of my head is completely done. So here's a closer look of what my 2-strand twists are looking like from the left hand side. Alright, and I'm going to go ahead and finish the process on the right side, and I'll see you guys in a few. So now that I'm done with my entire head, this is what my 2 strands are looking like.
Alright, so as you can see, I've gone ahead and completed the 2-strand twist. It took around 1.5 hours. Usually it doesn't take this long, but I have about 65 locks, and then I have like a really thin one right here, so I just combined it with another pair. Some people usually use, I guess, like a dryer and sit under it. I'm not going to do that. What I usually do is I usually just sleep overnight, but I'll probably leave these in for about a week. My birthday is actually next Thursday on the 7th of May, so I plan to take these out and maybe have like a photo shoot or whatever. So I'll probably show you guys the final results of my hair in a separate video, but anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe and turn on your post notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!